Hey riders, welcome to AGM Moto Mods. As new YouTubers, we want to start with thanking each and every one of you for all the love so far. We had a great start with 3,000 viewers in 1 week, and that was enough motivation for us to get equipped. We got the latest GoPro Hero 9. We plan on making a lot of mod videos for all of you, and we will be doing a performance piece showcasing what changed on the bike and how it looks, feels, and performs. That said, we needed a decent camera to record all the actions, so here we are with our first video using the GoPro. In this video, as you can see, we are going through a very quick unboxing of the GoPro. We will then install all the GoPro accessories on our Harley Street 750 to demonstrate all angles that you can take videos with a GoPro on. Oh cute, it actually lets you name your camera. And that's our name, AGM Moto Mods. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can make more fun videos. Let's get started. Nice and sunny morning in Miami. This is the GoPro accessories segment of this video, and we are in front of a beautiful lake in our community. It's beautiful, but there's a small sign here saying beware of poisonous snakes and alligators. Welcome to Florida. By the way, we tried something really crazy using the GoPro that we will be showing you in the video soon. Stay tuned. Back to our topic, we would like to start talking about the protective housing and waterproof case by GoPro. This is probably one of the most important items you should get. It keeps your camera safe from bugs sticking to your camera lens, protects from airborne rocks and dust propelled by other cars on the road, and unexpected rain while you are cruising. This covering comes with a covered back, which completely covers your camera and is for deep water activities, and an open back to be able to access the touchscreen. Quick tip, if you use the covered back, the camera heats up and stops recording pretty quickly in Miami heat. We suggest using the open back to allow some of the heat to dissipate out and keep the camera running. Moving on to the handlebar mount, we will be showing you guys a couple of cool ways of using the handlebar mount on the Harley Street 750, and one extremely crazy way. Starting with the first one, the rear view mirror mount setup. The handlebar mount comes with two different cushions sizes, one narrower than the other, which basically helps in gripping onto the bar. For this setup, we use the narrow one. What we do here is basically mount the handlebar in an horizontal way to one of the rear view mirror rods. You can put it either on the left or the right one. We prefer putting it on the right because that way we get footage of the nice scenery rather than the traffic on the left. But it may be different or the other way around where you live. You may be thinking, but why on the mirror rods? So let us tell you why. This setup actually captures a portrait shot rather than the regular landscape shots from the handlebar. As we all know, that portrait shots these days are all the rage. Insta, Snapchat, TikTok, and now YouTube as well have the portrait shot options. Check it out. This handlebar mount allows you to rotate the orientation so you can quickly change it from recording front view to side view in case you want to record a nice scenery on your side while riding or showing off your acceleration. The mount has a lot of orientations that you can rotate the camera on between the front and side view as well. And rider view. Okay, that's enough of the portrait mode. Let's get back to landscape mode now. So we put the mount on the left side, which was not as bad as we thought. The trick here is to sit on the bike, straighten the handle, and then tighten the mount screws to make sure you get a good straight shot. The windshield is kind of annoying, but as you know, the windshield is detachable and we can get it removed anytime to get a clear shot. Next is one of our favorites, the speedometer view. This allows you to see the acceleration on the dial. This view is preferred to be shot during nighttime as it glows in the dark and gives you a better visual. If you have seen our previous video on 0 to 80 meters per hour, you might have noticed the screen shaking a lot due to a bad mount. That sort of triggered us to get the GoPro since we are going to be making a lot of riding videos. If you would like to see the previous video for comparison, we have a link on the video above and in the description box below. And the side view. Another quick tip here, we tried to mount the handlebar to the engine guard, hoping to get a cool front tire and road view, but the diameter of the engine guard is too big. GoPro has a bigger pipe mount if you want to try it out, and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Can't wait to show you the crazy shot that's coming up next. Finally, our favorite, the gooseneck. We've been super excited about this one and we've been waiting for the GoPro to come in so we can try it out. What we're going to do here is put the handle mount as close as possible to the muffler and using the gooseneck mount, point the camera to the muffler. The best place seemed like the right passenger footrest, and as we started to mount, we ran into a problem. The handlebar mount is too small for the footrest. What do? Tried taking out the footrest grip, but it's too hard to remove. Opened the fuse box to find a place to mount and still no luck. And then we had an idea. Remember we talked about the interchangeable cushion on the handlebar mount? Well, it's a removable cushion. When we took it off, the mount fit perfectly on the footrest. And then the rest of the setup was easy peasy. Make sure it's tight enough, cross your fingers that the camera won't fly away, and kickstart. Before we start the roaring exhaust view footage, we would like to tell you that there are a lot more mounts that we got and we are going to make some cool videos with them pretty soon. We will also make some videos on what settings to use on the GoPro for the best quality videos. So stay tuned. Thank you guys again for all the love and support so far. Looking forward to making more cool videos for you all. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Do let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Any feedback or suggestions will be a great help to improve this channel for you all. Until next time, stay safe, riders.